Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Vanguard Van 81 error. So let's start. Now for the first step, go to the Windows search bar, type in services. After that, select any one you want and then type V in your keyboard. Look for VGC and select it. After that, all you need to do is to go to the startup type and switch it from manual to automatic. And then, as you can see, the service status is stopped. You just need to click on start to switch it to running and then select apply and OK. Okay, now for the second step, go to the search bar again, type in system configuration. Select it. After that, go to services, it's the third tab, and look for VGC service. Just make sure to check the box and then click on apply and OK. Now for the second step, go to the search bar, type in control panel. After that, go to uninstall programs, look for Riot Vanguard and make sure to uninstall it. After that, you just need to go to the launcher of League of Legends and just update the game. And that's it. Just make sure to restart your computer after that. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.